So the way that I package my files up is I put multiple files into a zip file, and it's called a compressed file or a .zip. If you're unfamiliar with this file format, you'll see typically that it has a .zip extension. So as you can see from my Etsy site here, when you purchase the images from Etsy, you have this .zip file. It's the same zip file that you're going to find in my graphics catalog, where I've posted all my graphics. I put them, again, I compress them into the zip file, and that contains 3 or more files. So I have a lot of customers who are new to this, and the way that you open it up is, depending on whether you're using a Mac or an IBM, in this case I'm using Windows, you can sometimes double click on it and you can see that it'll open it up. That doesn't really decompress it, it just lets you open it up, and you can see there's 3 files, right? I've got my JPEG, my PNG, and my SVG. So I'm just going to go back here, and what you can do is simply right click on this and go to let's see, where is it? Extract all, sorry. You see up here it says extract all. When I extract all, it's going to ask me where I want it to go. So in this case, it's going to go to my download folder, or I put it somewhere on my desktop, and I'll click extract. And what that'll do is that will make a folder. So if I change my view here, so let's go up to view, and I'll go to my details and just change the name here. Go to the top, you can see it created a folder with the same name as that zip file, and there are my JPEG, my PNG, and my SVG. So that's how you would go ahead and extract or unzip a file.